Hey, what's going on? We are on board a Regulator 34. Anybody that knows me, has followed me along, knows that I'm intimately familiar with these Regulator 34s in particular. So, we've got this boat here. Customer's got a Seakeeper 3 on it. That's a DC-powered Seakeeper. He's got Yamaha 350s. They're not exactly known for high-output alternators on those boats. And the boat lives on a mooring. So, he was not set up for success to have his Seakeeper be able to use it all the time and keep his batteries topped up. You know, we put a big battery bank in there, but we need to maintain it. And without being able to go to a dock and charge it, you're gonna have to do something. So in this case, on this boat, we've got, let's see, I can see them back there, solar panels. We're putting 4 of them up on here. We're gonna give a whole breakdown of what we're doing, why we're doing it here in the days and weeks ahead on this one. But just want to kind of showcase another project we got going on here. We're not just electronics, we got a little bit of everything going on. So stay tuned. Peace.